Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I hope you guys are doing well. So in today's video, we are going to just extend the topic of chat GPT. तो इसके पहले मैंने सेशन एक कवर किया हुआ चैट जीपीटी पे आप कैसे उसे रजिस्टर कर सकते हो, कैसे उस पर साइन अप कर सकते हो और कैसे उसे यूज कर सकते हो. तो बेसिकली दैट इज काइंड ऑफ लाइक अ बेसिक ओवरव्यू ऑफ द चैट जीपीटी वेयर आई हैव कवर्ड ऑलमोस्ट एवरीथिंग. So if you have not seen that video till now, I will advise you to go and watch that video. I will be putting the link in the description for your preference. तो ये ना चैट जीपीटी का स्कोप काफ़ी ज़्यादा है. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a playlist for ChatGPT. So this is going to be the second video, and in coming session also I'm going to discuss many more things that ChatGPT is capable of doing. So today we are going to see how you can create an app using ChatGPT within 1 to 2 minutes, and you can use that app actually. Okay. So I'm just going to start with one calculator app. So the language which I'm going to use is the HTML. So हम एक HTML कोड जनरेट करेंगे ChatGPT के थ्रू और उसको देखेंगे कि whether it's working as a calculator or not. Okay, so let's go to the system and see that.
We are going to ask a simple thing to write
I'm changing who I am. I'm making a new plan, rearranging.
it is using form, okay, and the input type is text. Okay, so this is something that we are going to enter the value, okay, and then these are the buttons. So for all the keypad from 1 to 9 and with all the plus minus, it is using the input type as button. Okay, so it's still writing. Let's wait for this to complete.
Mind's a weapon, my body is the engine. I'm never
So how easy is this, right? Instead of going to the Google and searching at several places, you can simply come to this chat GPT and put your requirement and you will be getting the perfect solution for your problem statement. Okay. So it says this is the simple HTML code that will do some basic operations that plus minus multiplication divide. Okay. And clear button C. So it is giving the description of what it has generated. Okay. So what we can do is we can copy this code and we'll save this code in .html extension and we'll try to open this using Google Chrome and see how this calculator app is working. Okay, so this is not the limitation of this chat GPT. You can create any kind of application. Okay, so I could have created this calculator app using HTML, CSS and JavaScript as well, but there's just an brief overview of what this chat GPT is capable of. Okay, so let's copy this code. So I've copied this code, okay, and what I can do is I will be creating one notepad. Let's open one new notepad file and paste that code here. Okay, and then so how simple is this? Okay, so let me just save that as calculator dot html and then save this. Now let's go to the document and open this calculator file. Simply I can open it. Okay, so this is how your calculator looks like. Okay, let's enter 3 plus 9 is equal to 12. So this is giving the output what we are expecting, right? C is for clear, so it will clear the console or whatever you are saying. Okay, let's try to do something else. 85 into 96 is equal to 8160. Okay, uh, minus 65896, so it should give me result in the minus, so minus 57736. So see how easy it is to create anything with the chat GPT. So no matter how much knowledge you have with the programming, so it depends on your requirement. So if you want to create some app, you can simply create it, or you can get the instruction also from the chat GPT how you can create it. Okay,